Before we get started, I want to tell you about a company who's been providing telecom services since 1985. US Tech is an industry leader in providing low-cost VoIP, UCaaS, SIP trunks, and every kind of telephone service in between, including our new AI agent, which gives your business assurance that you'll never miss a call again. US Tech can drastically lower your phone bills, provide telephone service for your home or business within hours, and provide ongoing technical support along the way. That's US Tech. Call, text, or chat today and let US Tech do the work for you. All right. The T74W comes in a box like this. Let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, we get a quick user guide. It's always helpful. Let's see here. Very protective wrapping. Look how sleek that is. That is a nice looking phone. Put that to the side. Underneath the tray, let's see, we have an Ethernet cable. We have a handset cable. And this would be the stand that hooks onto the bottom of the phone. We also have the handset that is under that little portion there. And this is a great handset, HD quality. Let's go ahead and take everything out of the wrapper and get ready to put this T74W together. Everything comes out pretty easy. Nice Ethernet cable that comes with it. All right, let's move this box out of the way and start assembling it. First thing we're going to do is get the stand that goes on the bottom, and you can see it's going to hook onto the bottom like that, and then you're going to click it into the right. You're just going to click it, take a little bit of force, and then it clicks right in, and that's not coming off. It's on pretty sturdy. Okay, let's grab the handset cord now, and you'll notice there's a kind of a long smooth end and a short smooth end. We're going to plug the long smooth end to the bottom of the phone where it is showing the handset logo, not the headset logo. We're going to put it in the handset logo. We're going to snap it in right there. Get it all wire managed. And in the short smooth end, we're going to put that right into the handset. So now your handset is attached and everything looks good. Now all we need to do is turn it on.